Today's challenge, sneezing with your eyes open. Master sneezer, student sneezer, student sneezer.
So if you guys don't know, there's like this, apparently it's a myth that you can't sneeze with your eyes open. Now, I genuinely believe that sneezing with your eyes open was actually like impossible. But a couple years ago, this man proved me wrong. You could sneeze with your eyes open without having your eyeballs popped out.
And it takes extreme focus. Extreme focus.
I'm so scared that I'm gonna laugh so hard I'm gonna throw up on all of them.
As you can see, weapon of choice has been prepared. You could use a tissue, you could use a napkin, you could use a paper towel, whatever you want. To prep it, basically just rip the end of a corner, just roll that shit up like this. It looked like a joint, you know? And basically, you gotta pick the size based on your nasal passage, the length of it. You know, different strokes for different folks, right? So we have various sizes set up right here, and we're gonna do this shit right now. We're gonna do this shit. We're gonna show you how to sneeze with your eyes open. I hope she gets a nosebleed. I hope he farts when he sneezes. We have to get quiet. We have to get quiet because this requires extreme focus. You gotta think about a lot of things. You gotta think about how it's gonna feel when it comes out. So you gotta stay quiet. You gotta stay focused. All right. So we'll start. So basically, the spot you're trying to hit is the inner corner because that's the G spot.
Oh, Jesus Christ, that's
No, that's.
Oh my God!
Embrace it, embrace it. Don't fight it. That's what you need right there. Make me laugh, man. I gotta stay focused. Hold on. Shit. All right, I found the spot. That's how you do that shit. Sneezing with the eyes open. Master. I'm the master at it. Oh man. Oh. It's better than an orgasm. I'm telling you, that shit feels so fucking good. Oh man.
You're next. Go.
You're next. Let's go. Let's go.
Wait, so I just gotta.
Yeah, extreme focus.
Okay.
Extreme focus.
My mascara.
I know about that spot that you're talking about.
Yeah, exactly. It's right in the corner.
I can't.
You gotta be gentle with it.
I am gentle, fool.
You gotta be gentle.
I'm trying to.
You fucking play with yourself, don't you? Fucking get all rough and shit with it. God damn.
Oh my. Oh shit. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
No talking. No talking. Just focus on it. Just focus on it.
Oh. Hold on.
See, as a professional. Hey, keep your eyes open. Keep it open. Don't close it. Don't close it. Keep it open.
Like I need to focus.
Is this what it's like for guys to find the G spot for the girl?
He's like, hell yeah. You gotta get it to like the lap. Hey, at least you got yourself to sneeze. Hold on.
Keep going. Yeah, keep on trying.
Yeah.
That shit hurts my head.
Seriously. I have never dug this deep into my nose before. Oh my God. It's like.
You look like you just got resuscitated back to life. That's what we're doing on a Friday night. You gotta. He's trying. Hey, your fucking right eye is like bloodshot right now. I think you like popped the blood vessel and such.
You feel like you're about to come. She was like, yeah, when I feel it, I know it, and then I just flandangle it.
Exactly.
You what?
You flandangle like. Oh fuck! I just touched a bunch of the wet ends. Dave look like he's getting his dick sucked right now.
That's like a child on Christmas Day.
Dave has his spot. He's.
Oh wait, that might be it.
I
Right?
need a new one.
Ready.
With you staring at me right now.
I'm not even fucking staring at you.
Yo, your fucking right eye is like all blood.
I'm not even sure if this challenge actually exists, but we just made it up this night and we decided to do it. So it's called the fucking sneeze with your eyes open challenge. So if you guys are gonna do this, be very careful and safe.
Yes.
Remember, make the tickler, tickle the G spot, make that face. and
Make
then
that
sneeze
face.
with your eyes open. If you guys
Focus.
do this fucking video and tag me because I just want to laugh.
It's not fair. I'm talking to you upstairs. Are you there? You know I care. So please don't tell me that this is an empty prayer. Oh no.
You need another replacement.
I got a very moist.
Oh, this one.